Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom. I am Annette if you are new here. Apologies if I sound absolutely terrible throughout this video. I have been getting my ass kicked by the worst cold on the planet. Because of this cold, this video is a week late, but I finally had the energy to actually get up and put my face on, so we're doing it. Today is Ipsy Day. Now, I can't lie to you guys, I tried my best the last few months to not see what was in my bag beforehand, and thus far, I've done fine. But because I've been hanging on to this for a week now, and I've been sick with not a whole lot else to do, I have opened it and kind of goofed around, not put anything on my face, but like swatched and stuff. Terribly sorry, but I actually do know what's in here this month, which is why I have a face base on, because I know what I don't need already. Also, undercut update, my hair is at a very uncomfortable stage right now. So I am in a new filming space. I'm hoping that this is going to be a permanent dealio. Enough of the updates, let's get into the Ipsy bag. So this month's bag is the Color in Yourself Creativity Cute bag. I'm gonna start to sound like a Wish description. And it does come with markers. I'm probably gonna give this to Kiddo because she will just die for this. So the first thing that I have in my bag, I redeemed points for this one. This is the pomegranate Haas and Enzymes Resurfacing Mask for oily and combination skin. It's in a cute little box. There's little roses or pomegranates. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm very medicated right now. It is a cute little tube. It's got a seal on it, but I'm gonna bust that open. Whoa. Oh wow. Oh my god. It feels very exfoliating. So it's enzyme, and it also has little rough spots so it can like sand your face down. It smells amazing. Oh my god. It actually smells like a jug of juice, like fresh squeezed juice. It doesn't just smell like pomegranate though, like it smells like there's also, like it smells citrusy too, like there's also grapefruit or something in here. What have you guys spent your points on? I'm curious. That's the first time I've spent any points. Next up, I got the Glossier Balm.com in Mint. Now this is like a lip and skin salve, but I feel like it's too thick to put anywhere else on my face. Like I feel like this would just break me out if I put it on anything other than my lips. Because I'm sick, I have been wearing this all week, and this is proving to be absolutely amazing. I guarantee when this is done, I'm going to be purchasing a couple different of the full-size ones. So that I'm putting on right now because we got to get these bitches ready to roll. Next, I got the City Color Glow Duo words. That's the container. And then it's got a cream highlighter and a powder highlighter. In the pan, the powder highlighter looks really, really dark, but then when I actually swatch it out on my hand, I feel like I could safely use this as a bronzer. It's a little orangey, but I'm gonna try it out today. I also have another foundation on today that I'm trying out. I've used it before, but I felt like I didn't like it, so I'm giving it another shot with a different primer. So if my face turns really pink, which is the reason that I didn't like it before, forgive me, I probably won't be wearing this again. I can actually kind of already see it going a little pink. We've got, of course, the Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte. It's just a teensy weensy little dewy. And then I got the Hikari Cream Pigment Shadow in the shade Envy. So excited that I got this shade because I looked up which options were available for this one, and it was between this green shade and a bronzy gold shade, and that's pretty much the only shade of anything that Ipsy has given me is bronze and gold. So I was so excited to get a different color. And the last thing we have in the Ipsy bag is a Mellow Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Chocolate. So this is also incredibly different for me. I don't know how this is gonna go on. So let's get started. I'm actually going to go into, I've already set my lids, And I'm gonna kind of just use the dark brown here from my City Mini palette. Try to tie these eyes and lips together. A small angled brush. And I am just going to make a little outer V. Now that I got that where I want it, I'm going to just blend the crap out of this edge. And now I'm going to take a damp packing brush and go into the Envy shade. That is a nice amount on the brush. We're going to fill in the gaps on the lid. So now I think I'm going to take my blending brush here, and I'm gonna take this into the cream highlight. See how this goes on with a brush, and I'm gonna throw this under my brow. Well, that really brightened things up. That looks good. Eyeliner. Okay, so we've got the Sex Kitten eyeliner. I'm actually just going to smudge this on my lash line. I'm really sick and don't want to be putting too much crap on my eyes right now. So this seems to be alright in the waterline. Now I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and my eyes, and we'll be back for the rest of the face. See, this could have worked as a St. Patrick's Day look too. So, I think I'm gonna take my highlighting brush here, and I'm gonna go into the powder shade on the highlighting duo. Let's see what this does. Not a whole lot of anything, did it? Oh no, it's there. Okay. This is super, super light. Probably because this is a highlight and not a bronzer. Duh. I'm so pasty that this is actually legit working as a bronzer. Wow. For a highlighter, that really warmed up my face. So now I'm going to use my beauty blender that I already used on my face, and I'm going to go into the cream highlighter. It's working. Not what I'm used to. Not bad. I will use again. And lastly, we have lipstick. I should probably use a lip liner, but I'm not gonna. Well, this is bad. Just, I feel like I'm smearing chocolate pudding all over my face. I am so sorry, Mellow Cosmetics. I wanted to like you. Okay, so I got as much of the chocolate pudding as I could off of my lips. So just to kind of finish this look off, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Teddy, just to kind of fill in that brown gap that we lost. Okay, lips aren't perfect, but they are better. Alright guys, so this is the finished look with the Ipsy products from this month, minus the lipstick. Actually, you know what? I wonder, just out of curiosity, how this would look on top. Okay, I tried. It looks fine with a dark brown base, but like, I want to be able to use it on its own. So that was everything in my Ipsy bag this month, and the look that we've gotten out of it, mostly. Thanks for bearing with me, and we will see you in the next video.